Hey guys, April 16 here, 2025. We are making a new video here for Tesla stock update. Piper Sandler here on Unusual Whales with a new price target, a buy recommendation, cutting Piper Sandler's price target from 450 all the way down to about 400. Still a buy recommendation. And again, April 16th here from Piper Sandler. Let's go ahead and take a look at Tesla here. And again, for the price target, take that with a grain of salt. Tesla here now at 240. Down about 5% today, a little bit over 5% if you count the after hours. And like I said in a lot of our previous videos, anything below 250 I believe is a really good buying opportunity. I've said this countless of times in the previous videos. If you want me to mention what I said before the run up to 488, I did say between 170 and 180 was a pretty good dip opportunity. And again, I'm not forcing anyone to buy, sell, or hold at the time or now. I'm just sharing that that's where I thought was a really good dip opportunity in terms of loading into Tesla stock. And then we hit a high of 488. And again, definitely surprised me and definitely exceeded my expectation, as I was just looking for about 300 to get tested, and we broke all the way up to 488. So realistically, it did surprise me. But again, we know that Tesla is extremely volatile. If we zoom out here to the weekly chart, anytime we were below the 200-day moving average on the weekly chart, this is has been a pretty good dip opportunity. And if I move out to the daily chart again, 200-day moving average here right around 291. Anything below 250, I would be buying a big position. And again, that's just me personally. I'm not telling anyone what to do. Anything below 272 or the 200-day moving average, I wouldn't mind adding a small position. But here we are below 250. That's where I'm looking to add a bigger position in the Tesla. And that's what I'm comfortable with. I don't mind possibly bag holding this down to 213 or even 180, because those are realistic possibilities of a pullback. That's something I'm keeping in mind in case we do have a pullback down to 200 or 180. Those would be really good dip opportunities for sure, in my personal opinion. But anyhow, long term, I do expect to see a recovery here for Tesla stock. Not exactly like what Tom Lee was saying, a sharp V recovery, but I do think at some point we start to stair step back up towards 488, and 488 there will be broken above for a new all-time high. If you want to compare the current price here at 240 all the way back up to 488, it's going to be right around a 102% move back up to the top side. And I want to bear in mind as well, if we do break below 213 again, this is going to be the downside of about 12%. If we do break down below 213, I would probably want to caution out for 180 being a second level or a major support level here for Tesla stock in the downside. It's going to be right around a 24% drop. And knowing that, I do have a bit of cash on the side just in case to load up on this bonus dip opportunity, in my opinion. But again, you can see the risk reward here, risking about 24% downside, and then you got about 102% towards the upside here. If you want to look at the price target that Piper Sandler has at $400, and then take a look here, $400 is going to be right around a 68% move to the top side. So again, it's something to keep an eye out for as well if you are bullish on Tesla stock. This is Piper Sandler's price target here. If you guys are long-term on Tesla stock, let us know what you think down below in the comments at these prices. Do you think 240 here is a buying opportunity, or are you waiting for a bigger dip here to occur? And if you are long-term in Tesla stock and you don't have a community yet, I highly recommend joining our Discord. It's free to join. We have over 32,000 people. QR code on the left side there, and then also link down below in the description of the video. If you are looking for live entries and exits on stocks and options, we do have a Patreon link as well. And again, this is going to be optional. Patreon link there on the left side for the QR code, and then second link down below in the description if you want to join for our 90% off permanent discount promotion. We are celebrating our 5-year anniversary, so if that's something you want to secure and lock in, feel free to check out the Patreon link and see if we have any more available spots. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you in the next video for Tesla stock.